Hello and welcome to Prototech Solutions. Let's have quick demonstration of 3D Viewer for iOS. The application provides you some sample models. On opening the model you can see the 3D model which you can zoom, pan and rotate. Application also allows you to open the models from zip files. Clicking on a zip file will list the models enclosed in the zip and you can choose the model to open in the viewer. Application also allow us to browse through the cloud storage like Box and Dropbox where you can access 3D model documents stored on your cloud storage account. The model once downloaded from cloud storage can be viewed in the Recent Files tab. Tapping company name in About Us tab will navigate you to our website. The 3D Viewer application will also allows you to open the secured 3D PDF file, where the application will ask you to enter the password and open the secured 3D PDF for you. Thank you for watching demonstration of 3D Viewer application for iOS.